I bought every mirror at Dollar Tree for these 15 hacks.
It's Pottery Barn, okay? These are jaw-dropping Dollar Tree mirror DIYs that are easy to do. I am so excited to see this brand new mirror. It really reminds me of something I saw on the Pottery Barn website, and the secret at Dollar Tree is to buy 6. 6 is the magic number to create a really cool DIY.
This trick is genius, and you have to vote on your favorite version. Fill a spray bottle with water and then lightly mist on top of your mirror. Then take some old spray paint you have sitting around. Here I'm using a matte black and just give it a really light dusting. The water will keep it from getting all over the mirror and give it a natural aged look. After waiting about 30 seconds, blot it up with an old rag. Trust the process, trust the process. After a little while, you can age them in different degrees and different variances, and look how cool this looks. Then take some nano dots. I will link my favorite down below. I stick these on the back of the mirror. This makes the perfect renter-friendly DIY. These are nice and light. I use a level to hang them, and then you want to hang them up in mass so this looks like one solid piece. It's important to me that it actually looks good in person, not just on video, and this one is a huge winner. Project number 1. For project number 2, I spotted this Pottery Barn mirror that in the size I wanted was almost $700. If you can't find the mirrors in store, you can also find similar ones on Amazon, and we're gonna follow the same technique. Spray lightly with water, and then I'm using a silver spray paint just to dust the surface, and I'm blotting it up with a rag. Now what's really nice about this is you can eyeball it, you can put space between these if you want to. Here I'm adding just a bit of space so I could break apart this tile and glue it to the center. And this is going to give it that similar look to the Pottery Barn mirror. I love how this turned out. Project number 2.
Also look for basic photo frame mirrors. You also want to grab some foam core board. Here's another super easy Pottery Barn idea I have done for years.
This video went super viral a few years ago, but for project number 3, I'm going to soup it up a little bit and change it. So you turn these mirrors over and then you just duct tape them together. Dollar Tree does sell duct tape, and you want to make sure to go in different directions. And then to hold it together, I add some super glue to the back and then place the foam core board over top. I don't have to cut it down. It's the perfect size to fit behind the mirrors. Then you want to let this dry. My favorite way to hang this is with command strips. Again, because these mirrors are nice and light, they go up on the wall. I could make this for about $7. This project lived in our master bedroom for years. And what I love about being creative is taking something that I have and reimagining it, especially as my styles change a little bit. I've been loving the vintage look, and most of the projects in this video are actually not for me. They're all in different homes. So to this project, because some spray paint got on the frame itself, I was not expecting that. I added some rub and buff right to the outside just to give it kind of a gold look, and I thought it really worked with the space. So vote time, okay? Do you like project 1? Project 2 or project 3? Let me know in the comments below. And I've got so many more projects coming up, some really practical, some creative, but the point is they're all so easy. Anybody can do it.
These mini mirrors are another unsung hero at Dollar Tree, and you can order Dollar Tree online, so you can get them in bulk if you need a lot of them. And you also can combine it over here with some of these lanterns. I don't know if you've seen these in your store, but this is in the $3 and up section, and these mirrors fit perfectly in the bottom, so it reflects a lot of light. This one actually comes with a glass canister. This is beautiful. I love this. Oh, this is so pretty. I can put it inside. Look at that. Look at that. This is good. This would be great for a wedding, right? Oh, I'm always wheeling and dealing. I got my bins. I got projects coming up. Subscribe so you can see them. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay.
I'm asked all the time about weddings, and I'm actually going to be helping plan somebody's wedding in October to decorate it on a budget, but I thought this was a great idea. 3 lanterns, some Dollar Tree pillar candles, and I loved the greenery just to weave it through. This was $21. I loved how this turned out. This could be for a day-to-day look on a mantle, but I definitely thought for a wedding table or even just a place where people sign the guest book. It could be so beautiful, but here's how I'm using it this week. I also went to the craft section. I want to point out a couple things. You might pass them up and go, Kathryn, I don't need that, but you're gonna see this and go, oh my gosh, I totally have to try this. It's so easy. The mini canvases and painting supplies. I took some Dollar Tree craft paper, I rolled it out on my table, and I got enough just to invite over a few friends. I also found this collapsible paint brush rinser. I love this thing. It's awesome. I love the scallop top. And I set out a really cute painting party with the mini canvases, the lanterns, to have some friends over and we can just be creative and chat. I'm saving the canvases to do with my friends. Think a birthday party too. You can also paint the mirrors from Dollar Tree. Go over the spot you're going to be painting with Mod Podge to give it something to adhere to. Not a painter? I've got you. We're going to make some flowers. First, get a base green, make a really pretty, just ivy pattern, doesn't have to look great, and then take a color to paint just some blooms over the top to give it some layers, add a center to your flower, and you've got beautiful mirror crafts. Every product, from the Mod Podge to the paint to the candles to the holders, it all came from Dollar Tree. This was such a fun DIY. I'm telling you, don't overlook the Dollar Tree mirrors. You can even put these in mass in lots of different ways. I'm trying to show lots of different ideas and styles in this video so you can find something and go, oh my gosh, I never thought of that. That could definitely work in my space. And that's maybe the thing. Most of my hacks are like really easy to do, but I just want to remind you, there's no wrong way to be creative. Whether it turns out exactly how you imagined or it takes a wild left turn, you tried something new, and that's worth celebrating.
These mirrors are one of my most favorite DIYs. They have so many different options, and what I like to do is punch out the mirror and I paint it with chalk paint so it looks like plaster, and you can use these as ceiling medallions. Check out this really cool idea.
Kind of the point of this video is a lot of these products are really expensive, like really expensive, big mirrors, big ceiling medallions when you buy them at the store. So all I did was punch out the mirror and then I just cut down the side, and that way it would give me a little opening so I could put this on the ceiling fan. Any type of chalk paint is going to look like plaster. Dollar Tree does sell chalk paint. You can also get it really affordably at Walmart or the craft store. Then, once I had it cut and painted, I added this one under the ceiling fan. Now, I did get some feedback when I first did this craft that this one was a little small for the ceiling fan, but honestly, I kind of like it. I think it looks really pretty and it adds just enough texture to the top. I also took these into our dining room and did the same thing on our pendant lights. Now, this is kind of my Narnia room, so I took some images from the Chronicles of Narnia book. I Mod Podged them to fit the medallion. I had a lot of fun doing it, and then I just added it to the top for just like a little touch of something that maybe you didn't know was there until you look a little closer. I really like stuff like this. So, which is your favorite? Do you like 1 or 2? You getting inspired? And I want you to stay tuned too, because I'm going to share with you how I take these off my wall. A lot of these I've been putting up with command strips that you're seeing in the video. I don't want to put holes in the wall. And if these have ruined your wall in the past, don't go anywhere because I'm going to show you how to very easily take them down. Up next, I have another favorite DIY using foam core board and a large mirror. I popped out the mirror and then I cut down a piece of foam core board to fit inside. Dollar Tree sells so many beautiful wallpapers now. Lots of them look like chintz, chinoiserie. They have flowers, marble looks. You can really have any type of style to fit your space. These go really easily on the foam core board and they can be readjusted. So maybe you have an old mirror or like a mirror frame somewhere, or you thrift one. You can put something beautiful in your space using mostly Dollar Tree products. You could even punch out Dollar Tree mirrors and put something like this inside. They even have some really pretty vintage ones like this I recently found in store. I think I'm hitting most of the mirrors that they sell. Like if I'm missing one, will you be sure to tell me? And up next, I've got to show you one of my favorite tricks. Now this is a product that you get off of Amazon, but it's a Dollar Tree style price for all that you get, okay? You could also do this with contact paper, but this affordable product is also waterproof. This is a mirror border. If we're gonna be talking about all things mirror, I have to share with you this hack. If you have a builder grade mirror in any space, these come in all different types of wood grain, colors. This sticks right on your mirror. It is removable, and it's going to give you an elegant mirror border that's going to make your bathroom look so polished. This product is one of my most ordered products that I've ever shared on my channel, just because it's so easy to do. And I promise you cannot mess this up. I'd be so curious to know if you have builder grade mirrors somewhere in your house. I feel like most houses I go in tend to have one of these, and they're such a pain to take out and then to find a large mirror to actually fit the space. And so this gives you a custom look at a very not custom price. Also, if you're renting, I highly recommend. Here's the before and here's the after. I'll be sure to link below the exact color that I used. And I can't believe I've never shared this before. All right. When it comes to taking down mirrors that you've left up, maybe for a while, maybe with command strips, with nano dots, are you ready? Are you ready for the secret? The secret, my friends, is dental floss. Yes, dental floss. Just hear me out. Take a strip as long as you need to wedge it behind the mirror and then shimmy it back and forth, and it will loosen everything that you put on the wall, from command strips to nano dots, and it comes off easily.
I like roll it like I'm rolling up like sushi. Just go boom, see? And then it gets like on this bunchy, and then you just go.
Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, my beautiful friend. If nobody has told you today, guess what? You are enough. I'll catch you soon.